Teaching art history can be tricky when students can't visualize the beauty of each era. Today, I'll show you how AI tools can help you create powerful visual aids for medieval, Renaissance, Baroque, and classical art, fast and free. First, use ChatGPT to summarize each art period. Ask, "Give me the main visual features of medieval and Renaissance art." Then, open Gemini AI, type prompts like medieval cathedral interior or Renaissance portrait painting with realistic light. You instantly get vivid reference images for your lessons. Next, go to Canva Magic Studio, search for Baroque art or classical sculpture. Use AI text-to-image or magic design to make posters, slides, or infographics that combine artworks and artist profiles like Bernini or Mozart. With AI tools, art comes alive. Colors, style, and emotion jump off the screen. Teach smarter with AI. Only here on Beyond the Blackboard.